Is Nyck De Vries being replaced at Alpha Tauri mid-season? Nyck De Vries hasn't had the best start to his 2023 season as he hasn't finished above 14th place in the first 5 rounds. Therefore, rumours have started about him being replaced mid-season. But who would replace him? In the last few days, multiple F1 news reports have revealed that Daniel Ricciardo has been at the Alpha Tauri factory getting a seat fit. This has therefore started rumours that Daniel Ricciardo may replace Nyck De Vries at Alpha Tauri. As Daniel Ricciardo is Red Bull's 3rd driver for this season, he is an obvious choice to replace Nyck De Vries at Alpha Tauri mid-season. However, not long after these news reports were released, a reliable source told ESPN that these reports were actually fake and Ricciardo hadn't been to the Alpha Tauri factory. So if Daniel Ricciardo isn't an option, who is? Recently, Red Bull's senior advisor Dr. Helmut Marko has been asked about this. Helmut Marko stated, "Nick got the yellow card, but not the red one yet. If the worst came to worst, we would fall back on our pool of young talent. We're talking specifically about Liam Lawson and Ayumu Iwasa. Ricciardo is not an option." I believe what Dr. Helmut Marko is talking about is that Nyck De Vries has got the yellow card as a warning, but the red one is where he'd get the sack. So you may be wondering, who is Liam Lawson and Ayumu Iwasa? Both drivers are part of the Red Bull Junior Academy, with Liam Lawson racing in Super Formula and Ayumu Iwasa racing in Formula 2 and both being 21 years of age. Liam Lawson is from New Zealand, whereas Ayumu Iwasa is from Japan. Should Alpha Tauri replace Nyck De Vries mid-season? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.